Give us a quick startup of this, yo.
What's up guys, DK here, and this is my first video for YouTube. This is my 2008 G37, which we're going to be talking about today, but we're only doing the exterior. So first thing that you're going to be noticing is the custom paint. Not wrap, paint. So avalanche gray on the outside, the accents, well, I say the accents, but the mirror covers and the roof are painted with black, like flat black. There's no metallics in it, anything. I just like that glass look. Sorry about the car being dirty, but it's in winter mode currently. We're in Canada, you know, you have to park this in the winter, so I just don't want to drive it here. Starting off with some custom work that I did to it on the roof. Not many people notice this, but there is originally an antenna on the roof, which is for the Sirius XM. I don't use it ever, so what I did is I deleted the antenna, welded off the hole for the bolt, did some body work, painted it. The trunk is the OEM trunk with Liberty Walk duckbill, and this is 1 out of 1 because not a lot of people have done this, but what I did is I molded this onto the steel trunk with actual fiberglass to prevent any future cracking or whatever. Taillights wise, I haven't done anything crazy, but I do have the taillights turned, which is one of my favorite mods, because instead of having just some boring bulb flashing into here, it just makes your rings flash. At the bottom of the bumper, I do have 2 diffusers, one right here which is stuck to the bumper, and then the lower one which is bolted down to the frame. Also, for the wheels, I do have Ferrata FR8s, which I absolutely love them. They're concave. They're 20 by 10 in the front, 20 by 11 in the rear. I have 245, 35, 20 in the front, which are stretched. And then also in the rear I have 305, 25, 20, which are also stretched. And the car is lowered on, actually believe it or not, G35 sedan lowering springs, airbags. They fit perfectly fine. I had 0 issues with them. Ride comfortability is perfect. It's just win-win. As far as the headlights, I haven't polished them yet, but these are G37 headlights, but I did put halos in them, painted the housing gloss black, give it that nice look. The only thing I need to do is polish them up, clean them, because they're hazed up as you can see. I do have T-Rex grille. I love the mesh out of it. And then as far as the bumper, I do have a IPL bumper, which doesn't have the fog lights at the bottom, because I do have them in the headlights. So that works perfect for me. And then at the bottom, actually if we flash a light, let's see something. You can see both of my intakes through here. So it's better than having any cover through that, you know, more airflow. Should we show them under the engine bay?
No. Alright, sure. Give them a tease, give them a tease.
Yeah, just a little bit. Nothing crazy that you're gonna see for now, but
just
not that crazy toys. We're not going to show anything on the interior, but that's for next video, because I've got something going on.
Alright, there you go.
As far as the
engine bay.
Yeah, as far as the engine bay goes, I've got engine intakes. I've done some tucking, which is, I've tucked some wires that go through here, a relay box, not deleted, just tuck them away. And then soon I'm going to be tucking those away too, and you just got to stay tuned for that.
It's going to be clean.
Yeah.
And then...
Yeah, I've also got, I don't know, should I tell them about the...
No.
Okay.
They're just gonna have to see these for now.
Yeah. There's a lot of...
And then, especially this thing.
Yeah, 13
Stay tuned.
Performance. Yeah,
Stay tuned.
Honestly, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I absolutely love their products, like 100%. I don't care what anybody says, I didn't see any issues with them. But yeah,
stay tuned, guys. So.
Yeah. Also under the engine bay, I do have ported manifolds, eh? The lower and the upper manifold.
Oh, they're ported?
Yeah, they're both ported.
Okay, so one thing you can't see.
Any videos or pictures of them, but there is some more things to be done, which I can, you know.
And there's a lot more things done to this car, guys. You just gotta watch the rest of the videos. And
like, there is some flashbacks that I'm gonna put back just to kind of make it quick. I don't want the video to get too long and boring. It's just, I want it to be, you know, simple. Just so you know, I didn't buy the car like this. It's been through a lot.
Okay,
like, you know.
Is this the cleanest non-wide body G37 coupe in Calgary? Would you say that that's what this is?
Maybe cocky, yes, but
I haven't seen another clean non-wide body one.
For people to judge too, right? Like,
Well,
I mean,
tell you what, guys, in the summertime when this thing is touching out, you be the judge.
right? This is how I find it fair. I know what I've done. I know what I've seen. Honestly, there is only one other G37 in Calgary that I like, but it's wide body. But I'm talking not
Exactly.
wide body in here, so
Non-wide
that's why.
body.
And like again, this is not the final look. I haven't even polished the car yet, and it's dirty right now because it's in winter mode. But you're gonna have to stay tuned for it.
Stay tuned, guys. You're not gonna be disappointed. The things that's going on behind this tint here, things that are inside this car,
Crazy.
it's loaded with parts.
Like,
Alright?
believe me, when I say right now, if we were to try and sit in the car, we wouldn't be able to. Like, maybe the driver's seat, yes, barely.
Just
Like,
enough room for one person there,
There's
guys.
room in there, but besides that, not the passenger seat, not the rear seats, not the trunk.
Alright.
And the back seats are also folded down, so.
Alright, there we go, man.
I'll just tell you that much.
Give us a quick startup of this, yo.
Oh, no,
Just a quick start. Just start and shut off. We just let them hear this thing, yo. You know, because they probably see the intakes and think it's just the intake alone, guys. See that 30-20 there? It's not there just for looks, alright?
This is also for the VQ haters, man. There's a lot of people that hate the VQ sound. It's just my favorite, you know? Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. Like I said, this is my first video on YouTube, and honestly, this was just an introduction about the car, just so you know where it was, where it is now. And like I said, this is nowhere near done. Like, the simplest way to put it is I'm just getting started onto it. There's so much more that I'm doing to it. You're just gonna have to stay tuned with me and then see what goes on. Stay tuned.